Good morning, students. This is Ricky. Welcome to the English class. Yes, children, I would like to ask you, do you help your parents at home in doing things such as uh, taking out the utensils, cleaning the floor, or dusting? Do you do? Sometimes grandparents ask water or something glasses. Do you help them? So list what work you do for your parents. Now let me tell you the scene created by the Uncle Podger. Yes, he was a funny man while hanging a picture on a wall. So how the created, see, sometimes we buy like TV, the new TV came to our house, or sometimes we buy Bluetooth like Alexa or any other. So when the new things comes to our house, we search the place where to keep, how to keep. Yes, so like that, Uncle Podger, he got a hanging. Yes, he want to put that frame on a wall. Now here see from your textbook, lesson 4, page number 27. Let us see here. Yes, now there would always be the commotion going up and down a house when Uncle Podger decided to do a job. Many times, see, all we do the things so calmly, but sometimes our elders, sometimes if they do one thing, they'll create more sin. Yes, yes, in our house, in my house also, in your house also, daily works what is going on, it will go calmly and peacefully. But if one day, if someone in your house, your elder, he or she starts the work, they always be a commotion. Yes, they do their job with shouting, bring that, give me that always running back of them. Now here you can see your house situation here. So Uncle Podger, one fine morning, a picture came home from a frame makers. They have given the picture to the frame to put the frame around the picture. So it was lying in the dining room, waiting for to be put up. Uncle Podger and Aunt Podger were thoughtfully looking at the picture. Now Aunt said, now that we have framed the picture, got it delivered, I wondered what we should do it next. Uncle Podger, he see how he is seeing the picture, and oh, leave the job to me. Yes, he is saying proudly that none of you need to not worry. I will handle all things. Why don't you look for the nails? So he is asking, give me the nails so that I could, yes, with the help of nails, he'll hang the picture. Quickly ran along and tell your sister that we will need the big size nails. So he is giving work to aunt first of all. Then in the next page, 28, Uncle Podger summoned Tom and Jim. Yes, Uncle Podger summoned Tom and Jim, right? Means he is calling them. Yes, why? Ordering them, calling them to do the work. They do, these two brothers, you can see. Tom, where is the hammer? He is asking. Only the frame he has to hang up. He is asking to Tom, where is the hammer? Give me the ruler. Hammer, ruler, I shall want the step ladder also to climb up. and also a kitchen chair. Then you and Jim run round to Mr. Goggles and rest him to lend his spirit level. Like this, those both children, okay, uncle. So they both decided. So they both went to bring the hammer, and he is asking Mr. Goggles, he is maybe the neighbor, to encourage him. After ensuring that he had all necessary items, see, hammer he got, nails he got, step ladder he got, kitchen chair, yes, now now he has to hang the picture on the wall. So Uncle Podger finally started to hang the picture with the help of Maria and Sam. Yes, another two brother and sister maybe. So here the aunt is saying, I will hold the light. And another boy, he is saying, maybe Sam, I will go and get a bit of picture cord. And Uncle Podger, let me step up the ladder. Let me step up the ladder. So finally, Uncle Podger stepped up the ladder. He lifted the pitcher. He stepped on the ladder and he lifted the pitcher, but the next instant he dropped it and the pitcher sprang out of the frame. See, in a hurry, in a hurry, or with, if you want to do, you can do alone or with one's help. But Uncle Podger wanted to do his work himself, and he could not hold properly. That was a glass pitcher, and the frame is broken and the pitcher came out, and his finger also cut. See, you can see the cut on his finger. Oh, I have cut my finger. I can't bring my kerchief, find my kerchief to tie up on the finger. So these all are, see, shouting, it was in my pocket of the purple coat that you took off, Uncle Podger. So everyone are searching. See, you can see in this picture, everyone are searching for the kerchief. Very soon the entire house, he was shouting on everyone. All the house members are started looking for his coat. Means the kerchief is in his purple coat. But everyone are searching. No one could find. See, Aunt Polly, she is searching in the almirah, and this girl is searching in the washing machine and basket and the box. So and he's shouting, see, can't anybody in the whole house find my coat? I never came across such buffoons on my life. He's shouting, you all are buffoons. You never do the work right. I swear I didn't. 6 of you can't find coat I put down just 5 minutes ago with the disgrace. What a disgrace, he's shouting. Now stop looking for my coat, will you? I have found it myself. I could have asked the cat to find it for me. He would have done a better job. Means he's saying my cat could do the better job. When much time has spent, and it in trying up his sore finger, and a new glass had been got, the ladder, the chair, the tools, and the candle had been brought. He tried a second time. Again he tried a second time. Even the girl and the charwoman. What is charwoman? Yes, children, she is a maid working in that house maybe. Yes. So standing round the anxious face. Yes, she is also seeing what is going to happen. In a semicircle, everyone stood again. 2 people held the chair. Third helped him up on it and held him here. The fourth handed him a nail. The fifth gave him the hammer, and he took hold of his nail carelessly and dropped it again. Oh, see, and we all went on knees and looked for it while he stood on the chair and grunted. Grunted means he was making sounds, rough sounds, and wanted to know if he was stand there throughout the evening. No one could search the nail. Where is the nail? So he was searching and searching, and he was shouting, no one can find the nail. The nail was eventually found, but that time he had lost the hammer. He had again lost the hammer. He searched the nail and lost the hammer. So where did Uncle Podger got cut himself? Could you say? Who did Uncle compare his family member to? Yes, he is saying buffoons. What did he lose in the end? Hammer. So actually the handkerchief was in the coat, and the coat, see, you can see in the picture, he is sitting on his own coat. Okay, children. So underline the difficult words, new words, write them, send it to me. Thank you.